I'll tell you what it is. So how it works is you might have an idea, concept, business, product, service, or you might have nothing. Just know you want to be a YouTuber.
Hit start, now you're stepping in. Got a vision, we begin. Every click, every single frame, lining up with the bigger aim. See the banner, colors, name, dialed in so you own your lane. From the trailer to that first upload, we're mapping out your viral road. YouTube channel, who can? That's the move you made. Started with the finish line, now you're on your